stop letting your videos look flat and boring. A simple zoom effect can completely change the energy of your edits. In less than 2 minutes, I'm going to show you in this video how to zoom in, zoom out, and make it look incredibly smooth using CapCut PC. Move your playhead to the exact moment you want the zoom to start. Click on your video clip to select it. Look at the top right menu under Video, Basic. Find Scale and Position. Click the little diamond icon next to both. You'll see 2 small diamonds appear on your timeline clip. Move your playhead forward a bit, roughly 10 to 20 frames for a quick snap. Now, adjust the scale slider to the right. If you want to center on a specific spot, click and drag the video preview directly to adjust the position. Note that CapCut automatically creates the second set of keyframes the moment you change the scale or move the clip. You don't need to click the diamond again. To zoom back out, move your playhead to where the camera should start moving again. Lock it in by clicking the diamonds next to Scale and Position. Move a few frames forward. Reset your scale back to 100% and center your position. And that's it. If your zoom feels too fast, just drag the timeline diamonds further apart. If it's too slow, push them closer together. Drop a like if this saved you time, and hit subscribe for more clean editing tricks.